In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started creating Azure OpenAI resources with Switchblade. All you need to do is specify the name for the account under metadata, the location for the resources to be created in, and the name of the resource group that you want to create the resources in. If we go down to the terminal, all we have to do is apply the YAML file. You'll see the account has begun to create, and I'm now going to cut until it is finished creating. All right, now that the OpenAI account has been created, all we have to do is go to the Azure portal, and you'll see the account has been created. Coming back to the terminal, if we were to get the Kubernetes object, you will see details regarding the current status of your OpenAI account. Now that we've created an account, it's time to add deployments to that account. You can see that I've added 2 deployments to the spec in the YAML file, one running GPT-4 and the other running GPT 3.5 Turbo. If we go back down to the terminal and then apply the modified YAML file, you'll see that our deployments have been created. Returning to the Azure portal, if we were to go to Model Deployments and Manage Deployments, you would see that both of the deployments have been created. Back in the terminal again, if we were to get the object, we can see that the status object reflects the addition of the 2 deployments. Now that we have our resources created, I'm going to show you how we can update them. I've decided to tag the OpenAI account while changing the token rate limit of deployment 1 and completely removing deployment 2. If we come back down to the terminal and apply this new modified YAML file, we see that our resources have successfully updated. Coming back to the Azure portal, if we were to refresh, you'll see that deployment 2 is no longer there, and the capacity for deployment 1 has changed. Coming back to the account, if we go to the tags, you'll see the 2 tags that we just added, as well as the default tags added by Switchblade. Coming back to the terminal for one final time, if we get the object, you'll be able to see that deployment 2 has been removed, while the details of deployment 1 have been updated.